What if the reason so many relationships fail today isn't because people don't know how to love, but because they don't know how to maintain love when life gets difficult? We live in a time where you can meet someone with one swipe, message someone instantly, and replace a relationship with another connection within minutes. But finding someone is easy. Building something that lasts is the difficult part. A healthy relationship isn't built only on attraction, chemistry, or romantic words. It is built on everyday choices that two people make when nobody is watching. And if you understand these 6 things, you may understand why some couples survive difficult seasons while others slowly drift apart. The first thing that makes a relationship work is communication. Not just talking, but actually communicating. Many couples talk every day, but still don't understand each other. They talk about work, food, money, plans, and what happened during the day, but they avoid the conversations that actually matter. How do you feel? What is bothering you? What do you need from me? Are you happy with us? These questions can feel uncomfortable, but avoiding them doesn't make problems disappear. It usually makes them bigger. A strong relationship needs 2 people who feel safe enough to speak honestly without being attacked for their feelings. This doesn't mean you have to agree on everything. You can disagree and still respect each other. The goal isn't to win every argument. The goal is to understand each other. Sometimes your partner doesn't need you to immediately solve their problem. They simply need to know that you listened. The second thing is trust. Without trust, even love can become exhausting. When trust is missing, small things become huge problems. A late reply becomes suspicious. A new friend becomes a threat. A simple change in behavior creates endless questions. You start checking phones, analyzing messages, and wondering what your partner is doing when you're not around. That's not peace. That's emotional stress. Trust doesn't mean believing that your partner will never make a mistake. It means creating a relationship where honesty matters more than hiding things. Trust is built slowly through consistent actions. If you say you're going to do something, do it. If you make a promise, keep it. If you make a mistake, admit it instead of creating another lie to cover the first one. And remember, trust isn't only about cheating. It's also about emotional safety. Your partner should know that they can tell you the truth without constantly fearing your reaction. The third thing is respect. Attraction can bring 2 people together, but respect helps them stay together. You can love someone and still treat them badly if you don't respect them. Respect means listening when they speak. It means not humiliating them in front of other people. It means not using their weaknesses against them during an argument. It means understanding that your partner is an individual with their own dreams, opinions, friends, boundaries, and personal space. One of the biggest mistakes people make in relationships is believing that love gives them permission to control the other person. It doesn't. Loving someone doesn't mean owning them. A healthy relationship gives both people room to be themselves while still building a life together. You should be able to say, "I disagree with you," without turning it into, "I don't respect you." The fourth thing is effort. This is where many relationships slowly begin to die. In the beginning, people usually put in a lot of effort. They call each other. They plan dates. They ask questions. They remember small details. They make each other feel special. But after time passes, some people become comfortable and stop trying. They assume, "They're already mine, so I don't have to do all that anymore." That's a dangerous mindset. A relationship may become familiar, but it should never become neglected. You don't need expensive gifts or perfect dates. Sometimes effort is simply sending a message asking, "How was your day?" Sometimes it's remembering something important to your partner. Sometimes it's making time when you're busy. Sometimes it's giving them a hug when you notice they're having a difficult day. Small actions repeated over time can mean more than one huge romantic gesture. Love needs maintenance, just like anything valuable. If you stop taking care of it, eventually it starts to weaken.